In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use portrait templates. We'll begin by going to the Layout area, and we'll create a composite frame. And let's just use a grade 3 class to begin with. Each of the cells of the composite are defined by the portrait template. So right now it's set at 4.5. This is the aspect ratio set for this template. If I select 4.6, I get a different aspect ratio, but I can go even more complex to something like this, which is a very elaborate portrait template. Let's go back to 4.5. And I'll show you how you can modify these templates. Simply click Edit, and that brings you to the Portrait Template Editor. And at this point now, you can define how the images will look. You can define how the text will look. So for example, if I want the names to be on 2 lines, first name, last name, I can simply do this. And now when I save this, I'll give it a nice useful name. When I come back to my layout, you can see that my newly created template has been used. Portrait templates can also be used on individual student images to create such things as diplomas. Let's change this query to IntelliFlow. So now each student of grade 3 will be on a single page, and let's change the portrait template to diploma. So now you've got the student image here, the first name, last name, and now when I flow this composite set, you will see diplomas created for each student in grade 3. That concludes this tutorial.